Okay, just wanted to do this video for a comment that I got from a man named Strawman, I believe. He'd asked about the ceiling fan generators. I want to show you real quick how I do them. This is how I've set mine up. I call it a flux switching generator. All the magnets are facing the same way on the ceiling fan generators. There isn't a north and south, and you still get AC electricity from it with a very low drag. I run them, the two sets of coils, in series and not parallel. This is done up the same way. They're all the same way. Each one skips every coil. So it's every other coil has a magnet. I mean, literally, you could put more on there and then do north and south and test it. But this way is the way that I found that this thing was the most low drag that I could possibly get. Because what makes it nice about being in the series is if you do a dead short across the wires, this thing still spins. So I'll show you real quick that you can light AC bulbs with the ceiling fan generator. It won't be much of a demonstration. My drill's dead. If you want to see another video of me lighting more light bulbs up with it, I'll provide that. This is a 15 watt. This one here is a 20 watt. So here's 35 watts of light bulbs. I'll spin it with the drill. It's dead. It's going to instantly shut off. Then I'll spin it by hand. Drill just died. I'll spin it by hand a couple times. Hopefully you can see it in here. There's no other wire going to nothing but to this flux switching generator. I hope that proves to you that you can use a ceiling fan for a generator to find the right resonance.